back to my channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about insurance. What is insurance? Insurance laws are ideally independent and non-catastrophic, meaning that the laws do not happen at large and that individuals are not sufferers enough to grant the insurance. Insurance may prefer to limit their export to allows from a single event to some small protection for their capital base. Capital constraints insurance ability to sell upfront insurance as well as with insurance in hurricane zone. In the state, the federal government insurance programs and especially in the area. In commercial fire insurance, it is possible to find single property whose total average value is below the exchange of an individual insurance capital constraint. Such as property are generally charged among several insurers on an insurance paid a single insurer, which indicate the rise in the insurance market. When a company insures an individual entity, there are basic legal requirements and regulations. Several companies set legal regulations of insurance in cost. Indemnity: the insurance company indemnifies or compensates the insurer in the case of certain loss only of the insurer interest. Benefit insurance, as it is staged in the study book of charge in the United Insurance Institute. The insurance company does not have the right of recovery from the party who caused the injury and must compensate the insurance regardless of the cost of the insurance. However, it is the negligent party for the damage, for example, personal accident insurance. Insurable interest: the insurer typically most directly suffered from the loss. Insurable interest was that asking whether property insurer or the insurer on a person in his flock. The concept requires that insurers have a stake in the loss or damage to the life of property insurer, but the stake will be determined by the kind of insurance involved and the nature of the property ownership or relationship between the persons. Both must good fight over fights. The insurers get the insurers are bound. A good fight about of honesty and fairness. Material funds must be disclosed. Contribution insurers which have the similar obligations to the insurer contribute in the indemnification according to some methods. Substitution or the insurance company request legal rights of personal recovery on behalf of the insurer. For example, the insurers may sue the loss liable for the insured loss. The insurers can waive the substitution rights by using the special clause. Cost proxima or proximate cost: the cost of the loss, the value must be covered under the insurance agreement of the policy, and the dominant cost must be disclosed. To indemnity means to make whole again or be restricted to the position that one is in. The extent possible prior to the happening of a specific event or peril. Accordingly, life insurance is generally not considered to be indemnity insurance, but not contingent insurance. Comes on the assurance of a specific event. There are three types of insurance. Contracts that seek to indemnity for an insurance: a reimbursement policy, applying on behalf or on behalf of police, and indemnification policy. From an insurance standpoint, the result is usually the same. The insurance pays the loss and claim expense. As the insurance has reimbursement policy, the insurance can be requested to pay for a loss and then be reimbursed by the insurance carrier for the loss at out-of-pocket costs, including with the permission of the insurance claim expense. Under a pay on behalf policy, the insurance carrier will not defend and the pay claim on behalf of the insurance will not be out-of-pocket for anything. Most moderately, with insurance is written on the basis of a payable language, which enables the insurance carrier to manage and control the claim. Under the indemnification policy, the insurance carrier can generally either reimburse or pay on behalf of, whichever is more beneficial to it than the insurance in the claim handling process. An entity seeking to transfer rights on individual corporation or association of any type etc. becomes the insurance party on the rights also the insurance party being means of a contract called an insurance policy. Generally, an insurance contract includes as a minimum the following elements and identification of participating party. The insurance, the beneficiary, the premium, the period of the cover, the particular loss event cover, the amount of cover, the amount to be paid to the insurer for beneficiary in the event of a loss, exclusion event loss cover, and insurance either side to be indemnified against loss covered in the policy. When insurance party experience a loss for a specific period, the covered entity is able to make a claim against the insurer for the covered amount of loss as specified by the policy. The fee paid by the insurance for assuming the risk is called the premium. Okay guys, this is the discussion about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time.